To fix the code execution cannot proceed because MSVCR100.dll was not found. To fix it, simply right-click on Start and select Run. Here you need to type this command appwiz.cpl, then press Enter. In Program and Feature, you need to select Microsoft Visual C 2010 Service Pack 1 Redistributable package, then click on Uninstall. After uninstalling, you simply need to open any browser you have, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In here, you need to type Microsoft Visual C 2010 Service Pack Redistributable package. And after typing that, press Enter, then select this website and make sure you're selecting the same one. Now scroll it down. Here you will see the download option. Simply click on download, then check both options. This is for 32-bit version and this one is for 64-bit version. Select both of them and click on download. This will download both files. If you are facing any problem downloading both files, then you will see this arrow, download arrow. Click on it and make sure you select this one, continue automatically download multiple files, then click on done. By doing so, you can able to download both files on your PC. Open the folder where you have downloaded both files. Simply double click on it and install both of them on your PC. Simply select Run and install both of them. After installing both files on your PC, click on Start and restart your PC and check if that helps you to fix the error code. If you are still seeing that error code, then click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, select Apps, then click on Install App. Here you need to find the app in which you are facing the problem. Simply click on three dots and you will see an option to go in advanced option like this one. Scroll it down. First, click on Terminate, select Repair, and check if that helps you to fix your problem. If that doesn't work, you can click on Reset. Even after that, if you are facing the same error code, click on Uninstall and install the fresh new application on your PC. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.